how to join Bingx affiliate program. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join Bingx affiliate program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to Bingx affiliate program. Or alternatively, you can just click the link on the description below. Upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this page. And from here, to register, you have the two options such as to enter your email address or your phone number. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to generate your own password. So to register using email address, from here, just enter your email. And after that, below, just generate your own password. And also, in generating the password, make sure that you create at least 8 to 20 characters, and it must contain numbers and letters. And after successfully generating your own password, the next thing that you need to do is to check the boxes indicating that you agree to the customer agreement and privacy policy, and proceed by clicking the register button below. And upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to slide to complete this puzzle, which is also for security purposes. And after the verification, the next thing that you need to do is to enter the code that has been sent to your email inboxes. So just go to your email and just copy the code that has been sent by Bingx. After copying the code, just go back in here and just simply pasting the code. And after that, it will show you that your account has now been registered. And as you can see here, this is what the homepage or dashboard looks like of Bingx.com. But before you proceed to the step 2, let's start first by knowing this platform, since it is important to know the platform before joining to the affiliate program. And from here, by clicking the icon of profile on the top right corner, you will see here your user ID that you can copy and can be used during the step 2. And aside from that, you could also navigate some of the options on the top panel, including buy crypto, market, spot, derivatives, copy trading, grid trading, and many more. However, on this page, if you scroll down below here, you will see other details about this platform. You can see here the line graph of statistics of different cryptocurrencies in the market. We'll also show you the step-by-step process on how to buy a crypto in this platform, which you can buy crypto fast and accessible transactions using P2P trading or even bank deposit. You could also navigate markets, spot, which you can trade hot assets in minutes and convert a cryptocurrencies, which is the easiest way to trade. Aside from that, you could also navigate the derivatives using perpetual futures, which is suitable for more experienced traders, or standard futures, which is easy to use for ordinary investors. And aside from that, you could also navigate the copy trading in order to copy the strategies of elite traders, or access the feed to get the latest strategies and trends from top traders. Or you can join the largest crypto trading community called Elite Traders Recruitment. And you could also navigate the grid trading on the top panel, also to access other options by clicking the 3 dots on the top panel. While by clicking the wallet icon, you will be able to see here your own asset. You can also deposit, withdraw, and even track your asset records. While the bell icon is for message center, and for the profile icon, you will see here other options such as account and security, identity verification, invite to earn, in which by clicking on here, it will show you the default referral link or referral code that you can copy to invite a friends, in which each friend that you will invite, you will earn crypto as a commission. And below here, you will see the transaction of commission overview, data overview, referral overview, and your referral codes.